Finance practice exercise number 11. Jose has determined he needs to have $800,000 for retirement in 30 years, so that sounds like something he would need in the future. His account earns 6% interest. How much would he need to deposit in the account each month? Well, since we are making a regular deposit every single month, that seems like it's a savings annuity. Okay, so we need to end up with 800,000. I'm trying to find out how much to deposit naturally. And then from here, we will just fill out our formula. We know that the interest rate is and that he's putting money into the account every month. Now 12 times that 30 gives us 360. And then in our denominator, we'll have that 6% rate, finance rate, divided by 12. Okay? So as usual, we will figure this amount out first. Okay? Then you can either store it in a variable, or you can just take that $800,000 and divide by your answer here. Okay? So either way, we get our regular monthly deposits should be $796.40. All right, the next question, B, asks us how much total money will he put into the account. So he is depositing the $796.40. When you do your calculation, do not just use the previous answer with all of its trailing zeros, or else that difference is going to be compounded repeatedly as we multiply times 12, because he's depositing every month, and 30. So remember, you are not depositing a bunch of trailing zeros. You are depositing exactly this amount. All right, so he will be depositing $286,704. So how much total interest will he earn? Well, goodness, this is how much he ends up with, right? This is how much he actually put in. That difference is going to be interest. So we'll subtract the two. And we get $513,296.